Welcome to CircleCI Foundations. What is a job? Jobs are the building blocks of our CircleCI configuration file. So it's important to know what they are and what they can do as we move to create and customize even more CircleCI projects. Jobs are really important because they include all of the steps to execute commands and scripts in CircleCI. In our example, we have two jobs in our config file, run tests and build. These two tests look very different, but they both have two important elements in common, executors and steps. Executors specify the environment the job runs in. An executor can be a Docker container or a virtual machine that runs Linux, Windows, or Mac OS. One important thing to remember is that each job defined in your config runs in a unique executor. So you have to specify an executor for every job. The benefit to this is that you can have jobs that run in different environments. So one could be running Windows while another runs a Docker container with Ruby in it. Our run test job uses the Docker executor, meaning that this job runs inside a Docker container. On the next line, we use the image tag to indicate what Docker image we want to use. In this case, we're using the official CircleCI node convenience image. Steps are actions that need to be taken to complete your job, usually a collection of executable commands. Both of the jobs in our examples have a checkout step, which checks out source code for a job. This is the most common step you'll see in CircleCI projects. The run test job also uses the run step, where we can list custom commands and scripts. In our example, we're using the run step to install dependencies and run tests. You could use it for any number of more complicated things, but it's good for basics too. To summarize, jobs include all of the steps to execute commands and scripts in CircleCI. We specify the environment using an executor and then include all of our executable commands and steps. You can view jobs from your CircleCI config file or from the UI, where both the executor and the steps are identified in-app for you. If you want to know more about how to manage jobs with workflows, definitely check out the Workflows Foundation video. Let us know what topics you need in Foundations and what you want to see in the future. Join our community at discuss.circleci.com anytime. Thanks.